Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on the library down here, just click on it. So when you just click on it here on the library, it's going to take you to this list here. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You come here to Crossfade, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.